What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5 error, how to fix this error CE-41839-5. It's a can't start the application. Simply I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here you just check your application. Sometime your application is not working and you just check the update, and here is the update. Your application is up to date, and after go to setting. If not updated, you must update it and go to the settings, and here you go to the save data and management. Sometime your file are corrupted or a game file corrupted and save data is corrupted. So simply just go to check the system software update is up to date or not, and here's the initialization. But I'm just going to suggest you not go to the initialize or restore. You simply just turn it off and go to the safe mode and rebuild the database. By rebuilding the database, it will be clean the corrupted files, and after that it will be fixed and your application will be worked. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you have any help or a query, you just leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.